Welcome to Artificial Professor, and in this video I will explain how to create LinkedIn account. So the process is quite simple and easy. Just make sure you have an email address for creating LinkedIn account. So if you have an email address, then first open the Google Play Store on your mobile phone. And right here, the app name, LinkedIn. Tap on this one. So here is the app, tap on this one. So because I already installed this application, so I don't need to reinstall this. After the installation, open the application. So here are three options. Join now, continue with Google, continue with Facebook and sign in. So it's up to you what you choose means. If you want to continue with your Google account, then tap on this option. And if you want to continue this with your Facebook account, then tap on this Facebook. But for me, I will choose my Google account. So that's why I'm tapping on the second option, Google account. So here are my Google account. So from here I will choose this account. Also, you can choose the account as you want. So because all the information of Google account has already been registered in my mobile phone. So therefore, it's not asking too much. So here is the Google account. So tap on the option agree and join. Now they're checking my security. So here is the question. Tap on the option, verify. Pick the correct image. This one is correct. So verification has been completed. Now, here is my location. If your location is not showing correctly, then you can change this by yourself. But my location is the same like showing here. So after choosing the location, tap on the option next. So here are the most recent job title. So if you are a freelancer, then simply tap on this one. But if you are a student, then tap on this. So because I am a freelancer, so that's why I will tap on this mostly recent job titles. So it will help me about finding the jobs, means which jobs are popular on LinkedIn. By using this feature, I will find the jobs easily. So I am a video editor, so that's why I'll select video editor. So here is my job video editor. So here is the second option. Employment type. Tap on this one. So here is the option. Full-time, part-time, self-employed, freelance, contract or internship. So because I am a full-time freelancer, so therefore I will tap on this option. But if you are a part-time or you are self-employed or you are in an internship, you can select by yourself. But I am a full-time freelancer, so that's why I'm tapping on the second option. And here is the option most recent company, search for your company. But it's a tutorial so that I'm searching it quickly, like I'm searching for Adobe, because I always use the Adobe software. So that's why I choose the company. So after choosing the company, tap on the option next. So as you see, my all information is now in LinkedIn. So here is my photo which I upload on Google account. So if you want to change your photo, then you can simply go tap on the option next and change your photo. But it's a tutorial. So that's why I'm skipping it for now. Are you looking for a job? So yes, I am looking for a job, that's why I'm in selecting this option. And after this I am tapping on the option next. Add your contact to see who you already know on LinkedIn. So it is the feature. It will help you in finding your contact on LinkedIn. But for me, I will skip this for now. But for you, I will prefer you to import your contact here. Connecting with people. Let's see update and keep in touch. So here are the people they are already working on LinkedIn as a video editor. So if you want to connect with these and want to know about LinkedIn, so you can connect with them from here. But I will skip this one. Follow interest to see the best. These are the application for freelancers, Upwork, freelancers.com and Job Finder. If you want to add these. So whenever people will tap on your profile, then this data will be shown to them. Means you are working on Upwork. Or you are working on freelancer.com or you are working on Google. So select like I'm working on the Upwork. So that's why I'm selecting this one. You can select 5. So after this tap on the option finish, allow push notification. Yes, allow this one. So as you see, my LinkedIn profile has been created successfully. So it was a basic way by which you can create your LinkedIn account. If this video was helpful, Please like, subscribe and see you in the next video of Artificial Professor.